Hey everyone, this is how to use tags on Referazon. All right, so when you're using the Amazon Influencer CRM in Referazon, you're going to notice a column for tags. You'll notice this in the Outreach Tracker and the My Influencers tool. And how you use tags is entirely up to you. So I'll discuss a few ways that our customers are using tags that make sense to them. If you sell multiple different products and you're promoting multiple different products here within Referazon, you may choose to tag the product based on the name of the product or perhaps the SKU. So for example, if you sell probiotics and a multivitamin, so you may choose to tag them by the name of the product. Or you could choose to tag them based on the niche or industry. So we see kitchen gadgets here, and then we see a product name here, which is avocado tool. So you're focusing on kitchen gadget influencers with your avocado tool. Another one is you could choose to tag influencers based on the campaign that you're working on. So for example, we could do Mother's Day. And so this influencer we're using for our Mother's Day campaign. And you can either create a new tag, or by clicking this drop down, you can use previously existing tags that you've already set up. And this is how to use tags. If you need more support, please join us in our Facebook group or reach out to us via chat. Thanks, everyone.